Good morning, guten Morgen, bonjour friends. Welcome back to our Hiroshima tour. So friends, we are at Miyajimaguchi station of JR Railways, and I just showed you the streets of Hiroshima, and also I showed you the JR station, and also the Hiroden last stop, Hiroden tram stop also I showed. So I am at the main crossing of this place. From here you can see the JR station which I showed you also, and this is the road. We came from Atomic Bomb Dome. This is the road. It is coming along with the route of the Hiroden tram. So we use the same route which was used by the Hiroden tram, and here you can see the ferry pier, and from here we will be taking the ferry, friends. So let us start our journey today. Let's sail on the ferry to the island. So I will take you for the island tour today, and probably we will be able to cover the island today, or maybe in the next video we will be able to cover the island. And on the island I will show you some very interesting places. I will tell you about the island. I will tell you about the different temples, many of which have the origin from the Indian gods and goddesses. So I will show you the most holy places of this island. So friends, as I had mentioned that the ferry is run by two private companies. The price of both the companies are same. It is around 180 yen one way, and you can take ferry of any of the companies. If you have taken the Hiroden tram pass, full day pass, you can use that pass in both the ferries. So they have tie up with both the companies. So here you can buy some snacks also. Since I have brought my own food, I had prepared the food myself in the morning today. So I will sit here somewhere and I will have my sandwiches for the lunch while I wait for the ferry. I have already bought the ticket. So friends, the island is not very far from here. You can see that the whole ferry ride is around 10 minutes, and on this island you can see there are a lot of mountains. And friends, the highest peak is the Mount Misane, which is around 600 meters. So we will be doing the hike also on this mountain. We will go to the mountain top and we will see Hiroshima from there, and the whole island we can see on the top of this mountain. So friends, our ride has started. The ferry has just left the jetty and we are moving towards Itsukushima Island, which is popularly known as Miyajima Island. Friends, Miyajima Island is around 36 square kilometers and the main tourist points are walkable. So you do not need actually any motor vehicle on the island to travel. Only if you are staying in some hotel or guest house and you need to carry your luggage to the guest house or the hotel, people normally use the taxis on the island. So it's a very small island, around 6 kilometer in length, and width is about another 6 kilometer, and it is mostly mountainous. It is very natural, and friends, it is part of the Inland Sea National Park, because friends, this Hiroshima Bay basically is a inland sea. So it's a very large Inland Sea National Park of Japan, which includes lot of water body as well as this island, and the whole island is very natural, full of forest, and lot of trees, maple trees, which are famous for its maple color. And friends, this is one of the holiest place in Japan, because it has got many temples of the 8th and 9th century AD, and lot of saints have spent time here on this island. It is so sacred, friends, that in the past women were not allowed on the island, and the elderly people were sent on the other places when they were about to die, but it is not the case now. And this island is inhabited by approximately 2000 people, the religion of whom is Shinto religion. But most of the temples are Buddhist or Benzenite goddess. Benzenite goddess is originated from the Ma Saraswati of India, and the main temple, which is the Daisho In temple, which actually controlled all the other temples of this island, all the shrines of this island in the past, has got 3 Dev statues, one of Benzenite, that is Saraswati Ma, another is Ganesh, and Kuber. So friends, it has got lot of Shinto, Buddhist and the Hindu origin Benzenite temples. I will take you to some of these shrines, and this is the reason, friends, it is called the Shrine Island. That is means Miya. Miya means shrine and Jima means island. So Miyajima, but actual name of this island is Itsukushima Island. And friends, on this island, although there are only 2000 people who are living here, it receives almost 6 million visitors every year. So it is one of the most visited place, very natural place of Japan, and of course very sacred. And as per the Shinto religion, native religion, the deers are auspicious, So on this island, deers roam freely without fearing the humans, and they just roam around on the pathways, on the mountain paths, or on the streets, and they are absolutely not afraid of the humans, and they are ready to rob the tourist of their food items, especially the sweet items. So you should be careful about the snatching by the deers of your food if you are holding any food and sitting on the street shop for food. You have to be careful with the deers. Otherwise, they are very calm. They are not aggressive deers, and they normally do not irritate any tourist except for the food. So friends, this is the main shrine on the island, and it is famous for its tori, which is actually meaning gate. So this tori gate, the tori, it's world famous, and it is a UNESCO heritage site. And when the tide is favorable, this whole shrine as well as this tori gets submerged in water, and I will show you the picture of the story which is submerged in water. So friends, we are approaching the Issue Kushima Island jetty, and we will be deboarding on this jetty soon. Our ferry will berth here and we'll get down to the island. So friends, we are on the island. We just stepped into the island, and as you can see here, there is a high-speed ship also every 22 minutes which actually goes to the Hiroshima port. So if you want to avoid the travel by Hiroden train and the JR train to come to Miyajimaguchi station and take the ferry, which is very interesting actually route, and it is very very affordable. These ferries, these high speed ships, the round trip they charge around more than 4,000 yen. So that's a very very costly affair, and normally people do not prefer the high speed ship, but it saves a lot of time actually. So you can straight away go to the Peace Memorial Park or nearby. Actually, the Hiroshima port is not very far from the Peace Memorial Park, so you can actually go by these high speed boats directly to the Hiroshima also. So this is another private company which runs this service, but I will not recommend this service. First of all, it is very costly, and secondly, you miss out on the Hiroshima city streets tour and the ferry tour, which is really very interesting. So friends, on the island we are here, and there are motor vehicles are there, but as I told you, these vehicles are mostly either the private vehicles of the guest houses and the hotels. Although people normally do not stay on this island overnight, and generally the visitors are interested in the day trip, and they try to cover the important shrines, important places on this island by foot. But still these cars are there because the main occupation of many of the residents of this island is the hotels and the guest houses, which are generally very costly. They normally starts per night charges of more than 7,000 yen, so they are little costlier, so people avoid. But the advantage is that because most of the people come for the day trip, so mornings and the evenings are very very quiet on this island and very enjoyable. So if you want to stay, you can really enjoy the morning walk on the island, and also the evening walk, and the seafront areas on this island are very well lit in the evening, and that's a beauty to see actually, which the day trippers normally miss out on those evening lightings.